Festive 4 versus 3P. Will it be 1P? 2Ps? 3Ps? Ta-da! Huggy, snug, and dry. Up to 100% leak-proof, ultra dry.
What's your name?
Oh, that's great.
Do you got
Don't want to
responsibility of life?
It's kind of Jesus. It's not door. So
It's not happening.
make noise. Yeah.
So disrespectful. I would have that.
Not for me.
What's your name?
No, that's great.
Do you guys want to drink?
Gotta run away.
Don't
Ability, life.
This is unique. This is not so.
This is not.
Don't make noise. Cody.
Disrespectful. I do that.
I mean, look, I'm not the only kid on the island whose dad was, eat.
That check.
Not for me.
What's your name?
Away.
Oh, that's great.
You guys drink?
Gotta run away
Don't
from
drink.
responsibility, life.
This is unique. This is not so.
What's happening?
What? Don't make that noise. Cody.
Disrespectful. I would never.
You just wouldn't make it out of your mouth.
They don't want
responsibility, life.
this is unique. This is not noise.
It's not happening.
What? Don't make the noise. Cody.
Really disrespectful. I would never.
Just make it out.
You know what?
Difference between you
You know what? Do more.
and what you did
For you guys until here.
I got ball.